Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. How are you today, Emma?
I'm great, James. And hello to all our wonderful listeners. We're so happy you're here.
Yes, today we have a fun topic. We're going to the supermarket.
That's right. We're talking about shopping for groceries. Groceries means food and things you buy at the supermarket.
And I have a funny story to share. I made a big mistake at the supermarket last week.
Oh no, I can't wait to hear this story. But first, if you like our podcast, please like and subscribe. It really helps us.
Yes, please. And leave a comment. We love reading your messages.
Okay, James, are you ready to go shopping?
Let's go.
So, when you go to the supermarket, what do you need first?
A shopping list.
Exactly. A shopping list is a list of things you need to buy. Let me say that again slowly. Shopping list. Can you repeat? Shopping list.
Good. So, Emma, what's on your shopping list today?
Well, I need some basic things. I need milk, eggs, bread, and butter.
Those are very common items. Items means things. Let's repeat those words together. Milk, eggs, bread, butter.
Perfect. Now, James, do you have a shopping list?
Yes, but my list is a little different. I need fruits and vegetables today.
Oh, good. Fruits and vegetables are very important. They're healthy food.
That's right. My doctor says I need to eat a rainbow on my plate.
A rainbow on your plate? What does that mean?
It means eating many different colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, like a rainbow.
I love that. So red tomatoes, orange carrots, yellow bananas, green lettuce.
Exactly. Many colors, many vitamins. Your body is happy.
That's a great tip for our listeners. Try to eat different colors every day.
Okay, let's go to the fruit section first. Fruit section is the place where you find all the fruits.
What fruits do you need, James?
I need apples, bananas, and oranges. These are very common fruits in English-speaking countries.
Let's practice these words slowly. Apple, banana, orange.
Good pronunciation. Now, at the supermarket, fruits are usually sold by weight or by piece.
By weight means you pay for how heavy they are. You use kilograms or pounds.
And by piece means you pay for each fruit. For example, one apple costs $1.
In my country, apples are sold by kilogram. How about in your country?
Same, usually by kilogram. Now, let me tell you about other fruits you can find. Strawberries, grapes, watermelon.
I love strawberries. They're red and sweet.
Me too, but watermelon is my favorite. It's perfect in summer when it's hot.
So listeners, when you're at the supermarket, you can say, "I'd like some apples, please." Or, "How much are the bananas?"
Let's practice that. Repeat after me. I'd like some apples, please.
Great. And, "How much are the bananas?"
Perfect. These are very useful phrases at the supermarket.
Now, let's go to the vegetable section. What vegetables do you need, James?
I need carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, and wait, what else? Oh, yes, potatoes.
Good list. Let's practice these words. Carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, potatoes.
I love potatoes. You can cook them in many ways. You can make mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, or French fries.
True. Potatoes are very popular. Now, here's a question. Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
That's a tricky question. Scientifically, it's a fruit, but in cooking, we use it like a vegetable.
Interesting. But at the supermarket, you find tomatoes in the vegetable section.
Exactly. Now, let me tell you more vegetables. Cucumber, onion, broccoli.
I don't like onions. They make me cry.
Ha, me too, but they taste good in food.
So, listeners, at the supermarket, you can say, "Where can I find the tomatoes?" Or, "Are these carrots fresh?"
Fresh means new, not old. Fresh vegetables are good quality.
Let's practice. Are these carrots fresh?
Good job. Now you're ready to shop for vegetables.
Okay, James, now it's time for your funny story. What happened at the supermarket?
Oh no, this is embarrassing, but it's a good lesson.
Don't worry, mistakes help us learn. Tell us what happened.
Okay, so last week I went to the supermarket. I needed apples for my breakfast.
Apples are good for breakfast.
Yes, so I went to the fruit section. I found a big bag of something red and round.
Red and round like apples.
Exactly. I thought they were apples. The bag said 5 kilograms and the price was very good.
Sounds perfect.
So I took the bag. I didn't look carefully. I was in a hurry. In a hurry means I was going fast. I had no time.
Okay, so you took the bag quickly.
Yes, I went home very happy. I thought, great, I have apples for 2 weeks.
But they weren't apples.
No. When I opened the bag at home, they were onions.
What? Onions?
Yes, 5 kilograms of red onions. I was so confused.
Oh, James, how did you confuse apples and onions?
I don't know. Both were red and round and the bags looked similar, but onions and apples are very different.
Very different. Apples are sweet and crunchy. Onions are strong and spicy.
I know. I felt so silly. Silly means foolish, like a child.
So what did you do with 5 kilograms of onions?
Well, I cooked a lot. Onion soup, fried onions, onions in my pasta. My kitchen smelled like onions for 1 week.
That's hilarious. So what's the lesson here, listeners?
The lesson is always look carefully. Don't shop in a hurry and read the labels.
Labels are the signs that tell you what the food is and how much it costs.
Yes, read the labels carefully. Check what you're buying before you take it.
This is so important. I made a similar mistake once. I bought salt instead of sugar.
Oh no, what happened?
I made coffee with salt. It was terrible.
Ha, see, we all make mistakes. That's okay. We learn from them.
Exactly. So don't feel bad when you make mistakes. It's normal.
Now let's practice some useful phrases for the supermarket.
Good idea. These phrases will help you when you go shopping.
First, when you enter the supermarket, you can ask, "Excuse me, where's the fruit section?"
Let's repeat. Excuse me, where's the fruit section?
Perfect. Or you can ask, "Where can I find milk?"
Repeat. Where can I find milk?
Great. Now when you want to know the price, how much is this?
Or, how much are these apples?
Good. And when you're ready to pay, "I'm ready to check out, please."
Check out means to pay for your groceries and leave.
Or you can simply say, "I'd like to pay, please."
Let's practice all these phrases one more time. Repeat after James.
Yes. Excuse me, where is the fruit section? Where can I find milk? How much is this? I'm ready to check out, please.
Excellent work, everyone! Wow, we learned so much today.
Yes, let's recap the key words. Recap means review or say again.
We learned about shopping list, fruits like apples, bananas, oranges, vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, and we learned to read labels carefully.
Don't buy onions when you want apples.
Good advice. Remember, a rainbow on your plate is healthy eating.
That's right. Eat many colors, eat many vitamins.
Now, we have a question for you, our dear listeners.
Yes. Are you ready?
Emma and James, what is your favorite fruit to buy?
Tell us in the comments. Do you like apples, bananas, strawberries?
We really want to know. Please share with us. And remember, practice makes perfect. Go to your local supermarket and practice these English words and phrases.
Don't be shy. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Thank you so much for listening today. We really appreciate you.
Yes, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share our podcast with your friends.
See you next time.
Happy shopping, everyone!
Emma and James. Goodbye.